This is best done with two people, so while I'm straightening out the pole, my wife is filling the bags up with sand. Once you have both poles straightened out, just open up the canopy, find one end that has the holes, and then you'll just feed both of the poles through the holes all the way through. When you've gotten both poles threaded through the canopy, you'll then use these metal pieces to plug into the bottom. This will help keep tension on the poles. You'll need to bend the poles towards each other to make this easier to insert the pins. Once that part is done, you'll then use the strap to connect both sides to keep it together while standing it up. When you get the canopy in position, you'll then use the pre-filled sandbags to tie it down. Don't forget to bury your straps so you don't trip over it later on. Burying the sandbags helps them from moving if the winds are too high. You have 6 sandbags total, so using the other 2 to help tie down the flap in the back if it's excessively windy that day and you want more control. Once all the work is done, you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the shade and the view.